Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Integra engine. Begin by disconnecting the battery and draining coolant and oil to prevent messes. Label all electrical connectors and hoses as you go to simplify reinstallation later. Remove intake, exhaust, and accessories to access engine mounts. Keep fasteners organized and photograph each step for reference. Use an engine hoist rated for your engine weight and follow safety checks before lifting. In this video, I will explain how to remove an Integra engine. Start by securing the car on jack stands and removing the hood for access. Disconnect wiring harnesses, fuel lines, and vacuum hoses, labeling each for reuse. Unbolt engine accessories and power steering components to free space. Inspect motor mounts and note any seized bolts that may need penetrating oil. Triple check all connections are detached before lifting the engine. In this video, I will help remove an Integra engine effectively. Attach the hoist to rated lifting points and set a slow, steady lift while an assistant watches for snags. Keep rotating the hoist gently to find a balanced center of gravity and adjust straps as needed. Once free, guide the engine out of the bay with care, watching steering and suspension components. Place the engine on a secure stand and inspect mounts and accessories for reuse or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.